Susan Clem, Edwardsburg, Michigan. We fabricate aluminum for the RV industry. The labor shortage is about 35,000 jobs available that there are not employees to fill. The only way we're going to get away from the labor shortage is to automate.
That's when we contacted MVB.
We have been told by a few of our suppliers that some of the automated machines they have put into place took 9 months to be up and running. This machine was up and running at full speed the second day it was here.
It cuts, punches, and then packages in boxes steps we use for the RV ladders.
Automated machine makes us able to repurpose 2.5 full-time employees into a different department. The working relationship between Christianson's and MVB has been outstanding. Their reaction time, response time to us when we have a question or a problem, they are on the phone immediately and here within 2 hours. I would highly recommend MVB. These gentlemen are professional. They do a fantastic job. They know their product. So I would highly recommend MVB to anybody looking to automate any type of a line in their business.